Joe here for Xona Rotor. I'm with Sam from ByDesign. Great. So you decided to go with Xona Rotor turbos on this car, and what was the decision-making process behind that?
So I've been working on a kit, we call it the ByDesignXR, with the guys at Tile and Xona, and we came out with a really nice setup. We printed manifolds out of Inconel. It's a street kit, and we wanted to get it on the race car and test it out and put it through its paces. It's gone very well. We got great power, great response. The guys at Tile really helped us pick the right package right out of the box. First one, street car, race car, it's been amazing. Response has been amazing. It's taken a beating. And Porsche Colorado's really got a nice package, and if we get good conditions, I think the car will do very well.